This is Jim Emter, Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for July 22nd, 2021. Corn market down 7 1/4 today. Beans down 23. Chicago wheat down 18 1/2. Minneapolis up 6 1/4. Kansas City down 15. So what started off as a big liquidation type day kind of caused a battle as we work towards the close. There's a lot going on behind the scenes, from freezes down in Brazil to flooding in China to dry conditions in the western U.S. versus good conditions in the Central East. You got it all right now, so be careful here. This is a seasonal time frame where we tend to see some pressure. We could be looking at a market that could fade down into this 450 to 480 level in D's corn. November beans could get down to 1250 at some period of time between now and harvest, and then we could take out the highs at some point after harvest as demand starts to show up, as South America season starts to pick back up, if they start with a dry undertone, and just a lot that can happen here. And this China uncertainty that has happened over the last few days with this big flooding impacted about 17% of the crop area, with rains forecasted to be anywhere from 15 to 45 inches of rain. So that too creates a dynamic. So a tug of war between the bulls and the bear will rage on, and we'll just try to need to keep some transparency. We feel marketing in this $5.60, $5.70 up to $6 range for corn is of importance, and we feel like as beans trade at $14 or over, that too brings some important marketing measures. So look to continue to balance your risk, market along the way, and get ready for what continues to be more of a volatile pattern. On the feeder cattle side of things, up 142 1/2, live cattle up 75, hog market anywhere from up 0.07 1/2 to down 67 1/2. So really quite the range trade here. Cattle market firmed up today. Good exports were encouraging to see, and cash undertones that have been semi-supportive really bring that market together to try to make a run back at the highs. Hogs, on the other hand, exports were okay, but not really off the charts, and kind of left longing for more. This has been Jim Emter, Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, trading in futures and options. It involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.